Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Windows build and whether it's 32 or 64-bit because installers differ. This prevents mismatched components. Once done, create a system restore point and close user apps. Make sure to disable third-party antivirus briefly so the installer can run uninterrupted. Then download the exact NET framework version or the offline redistributable that matches your OS. You're preparing the environment so the install won't fail mid-process, and so you can restore quickly if needed. Run the installer as administrator. If it offers repair, choose that first because it fixes corrupt assemblies without a full reinstall. If that fails, run the Microsoft NET repair tool and follow prompts. Also run the Windows Update troubleshooter since updates often affect NET components. Make sure to review Event Viewer's application log and CBS logs for exact error codes. Those codes tell you whether it's a missing file, permission issue, or update conflict. Collecting that info speeds targeted fixes. After repair or install, reboot the PC, re-enable your antivirus, and then test the application that failed. Many fixes need a restart to complete. If problems persist, uninstall the specific NET version from Programs and Features and then reinstall the offline package to avoid update server issues. Finally, use System File Checker, SFC, and DISM to repair corrupted Windows files. Run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. That combination.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.